ever dreamt of living the millionaire lifestyle? In this video, I'll reveal 10 proven ways that can help you turn that dream into reality. From building a successful business to mastering the art of stock market investing, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock the secrets to making $1 million. The journey to $1 million begins with entrepreneurship. By starting a successful business, you have the power to control your destiny. Identify a market need, develop a unique product or service, and scale it efficiently. Remember, every millionaire started somewhere, and so can you. Witness how ordinary people turned their passion into profit and overcame challenges to create thriving enterprises. Real estate can be a goldmine for wealth building. Invest in properties that appreciate over time or generate rental income. Real estate investments provide a steady cash flow and long-term growth potential. Watch your wealth grow as you make smart choices in the real estate market. Discover the secrets of real estate moguls who turned humble investments into fortunes and learn how to navigate the market effectively. The stock market offers an excellent opportunity to multiply your money. Learn the art of investing in stocks or opt for long-term index funds. As you harness the power of compounding, watch your wealth soar to new heights in the world of financial markets. Unravel the strategies used by seasoned investors to build their portfolios and gain insights into market trends and analysis. Welcome to the digital age, where content creation can turn into million-dollar fortunes. Become a YouTube sensation, launch a successful blog, or build a loyal social media following. Monetize your content with ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Get inspired by content creators who amassed wealth by sharing their stories and learn effective content marketing strategies. In the digital era, software is king. Consider creating a software empire by developing innovative apps, SaaS products, or specialized software solutions. Software businesses have the potential to reach a global audience and generate recurring revenue. Explore the success stories of tech entrepreneurs who built million-dollar empires from lines of code and understand the steps to create successful software products. Do you have a groundbreaking idea? Protect it and profit from it. By inventing or innovating, you can secure patents and potentially license your creations for significant earnings. Your innovation could be the key to unlocking your millionaire status. Dive into the world of inventors who revolutionized industries through their ingenious creations and learn how to navigate the patent process. Explore the world of trading and arbitrage opportunities. Engage in forex trading or capitalize on cryptocurrency price differences. With careful research and risk management, trading can lead you to financial gains. Delve into the minds of traders who mastered the art of buying low and selling high, and discover key tips for successful trading. Looking for a proven business model? Invest in a franchise with a track record of success. Benefit from brand recognition, support, and a ready-made customer base. Embrace the franchise ownership journey and build your way up to millionaire status. Learn from franchise owners who turn their passion into profitable businesses and explore the key factors for franchise success. Share your expertise with the world and get rewarded for it. Become a consultant or coach in a high-demand niche. Your specialized knowledge can lead to high-income opportunities and satisfied clients. Discover how consultants and coaches transform their know-how into thriving businesses and learn essential skills for effective consulting and coaching. Choose a high-paying career path and work your way up the ladder. Whether it's medicine, law, technology, or finance, invest in education and skill development to unlock your earning potential. Peek into the lives of professionals who reach the pinnacle of success through their rewarding careers and understand the key elements of career growth and success. Congratulations! You've now discovered 10 proven ways to make $1 million. The path to wealth might differ for each of us, but the destination remains the same. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight, it's about staying committed, taking calculated risks, and putting in the effort to achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace these strategies, take action, and start your journey towards becoming a millionaire. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content. Until next time, happy millionaire making!